Hey guys, welcome back. So since this is somewhat of a travel channel, I thought that I would use this opportunity. I've taken a couple of trips here lately, so I just thought that I would do a how to pack video. I try to travel most of the time with just a carry-on just because it's so much easier than trying to check a bag and having to claim your bag at baggage claim. So if I'm only going away for a few days, I try my best to fit everything into a carry-on. So today I am going to show you guys how I do that. Just some tips. It's nothing earth-shattering, but just thought I would do kind of a little pack with me video so you guys could see the things I do to try to make traveling easier and just fit everything I can possibly fit into a carry-on. So the first thing that I do is I start with doing laundry. The best thing to do is pick out outfits, clothes that you think you might wear, put them all together, anything that's dirty, put it in a laundry basket, do a load of laundry. That way you are starting fresh and you can pick out what you want to wear. So let's get started with some laundry, shall we? Here we go. I'm packing. So the first thing I'm going to put in is shoes. So I'm going to put the shoes along the side here. And then I have these other shoes that are folded up. I'm going to put them down here. So then clothing, I want to put my heaviest clothing in first, and I want to roll everything. So I'm taking 2 pairs of jeans, and I'm gonna rotate them out. And so I'm gonna wear one of them on the plane. So those I'm not putting in my suitcase. So here is the other pair of jeans that is going into my suitcase, rolled up. Now I'm putting outfits together. So what I'm gonna do is plan out I'm basically just wearing shirts and jeans. Some of them require a sweater or something. So I'm going to put shirts that are being worn together. I'm gonna lay those out together and then roll them up. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this is one outfit, and I'm gonna need 6. I really hope I can fit all of this into this one carry-on. This is outfit number 2 going into the suitcase, rolled up. Outfit number 3, and I was wrong, I actually only need 5 and then 1 to wear on travel day. Outfit number 4, I'm gonna tuck that into the side here, and outfit number 5. So I'm just tucking all of those in there as best I can to leave as much room as I possibly can. And then I'm taking things to sleep in. I'm actually gonna fold those together and roll them up and tuck those into the end here. And I think I might bring 1 extra t-shirt to sleep in as well. Tuck that into the side. Okay, so all of my biggest things now are tucked into the bottom of my suitcase. I'm gonna put some things into this top section here. Again, try not to overpack. Trying to tuck little things in to little spaces to save room. I've got this packed pretty tight, so that's not exactly easy right now, but I'm trying. Okay. All right, so I think all my clothes and shoes are packed now. And I need to get in some toiletry items and electronics like my iPad and stuff like that. Oh, and socks. I almost forgot about socks. All right, so time to crowd the socks in there too. It's getting tight. Now, normally if I had been packing tennis shoes, I would put the socks in the tennis shoes, but I'm actually just wearing the 1 pair of tennis shoes that I'm taking, so that's not really possible. But I think I've got that packed in there pretty good. Okay, now I'm working on Toiletries, and since this is a carry-on, there's my limit for like 3 ounces in a bag. So this is my solution to that. This is my bag. This is a reusable bag that I got a few years ago. It's kind of holds more than a typical Ziploc bag that you normally use, but it is airport friendly, so I can get away with using it. But it's a lot easier to fit more in, and I always have way too many bottles to fit in those tiny little Ziploc bags. So I have hairspray, conditioner, spray gel, shower gel, hair and body mist, dry shampoo, regular shampoo, face wash, toothpaste, soap, and body lotion. And the way I fit all of those in there is I kind of take the biggest ones and put them in first, closest to the zipper. So I'm gonna put all of that in here. And then anything that's in like a kind of tube like this, I'm gonna put in, you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna put in upside down. So just kind of trying to keep this as flat and maximize the space as best I can. Folding up the toothpaste tube and sticking that kind of in the middle. And then just kind of try to flatten it out a little bit and then hold the zipper together. And it's tight, but it's all in there. So I'm gonna put this into this section on the front of my suitcase. I have TSA pre-check, so I don't usually have to take that out, but just in case, it is in the front of my suitcase, easy to take out. So I'm gonna put that in there. And the other thing that I have, I'm not sure if I'm ready to pack it yet. I have this Toiletries case that I got from IKEA. Here, let me move this out a little bit. I got this from IKEA a few years ago. You can kind of see, it's got a little hanger thing on it. So when you get to where you're going, you can hang it up and everything is easy to access. Then, when you're ready to leave, you can kind of fold it all together, fold the hanger in there, and 2 zippers, you zip it up, kind of mash it all together, and it's got a little handle, fits nicely in your suitcase. So this has been great. I've been using this for a while now. But I still have some things to pack, so I'm not gonna put it in the suitcase just yet. So I'm packing electronics. So this is my backpack that I'm using to put all that kind of stuff in. So I have, this is an iPad cover. And so my iPad is already in a cover. You can see that with the pencil. It's just a thin magnetic cover that folds over. So I'm putting this in this case that looks like a book. A little more protection, and then I also am able to fit a keyboard in this side pocket here. So that is going into my backpack. I'm charging the iPad right now, so I'm not going to put it into the backpack just yet, but I'll put this back in there. Easy to take out the top of it if I need the iPad on the plane. I have these. These are some charging cables for iPhone, iPad. This is a USB-C cable, USB and lightning cable. So I'm putting that in there. My Kindle is charging right now too, but my Kindle is going in there. Kindle will go in this little pocket right here. I have this bag, which just has, very glittery. It's got some other cables for my, like, a power cable that charges both USB and USB-C. And then I also have a watch, or an Apple Watch cable in there, and then an HDMI cable that I can use with my iPad if I want to watch it on a TV. And then I also have this little dock from my iPad. So this has a little case for it, but it's got HDMI, SD card. If I take photos or videos, I can see them on my iPad. Power, USB-C power, another USB-C if I want to plug something in, and then 2 USB ports. So that just fits into this little case here. And I can put this in this bag as well. And that all fits in here. So I'm gonna put that into this bag. And then I need to charge this a little bit too, but I have a power bank. It's funny because when I came through TSA, when I was coming back from my last trip, the way this was in my bag, I guess the shape of it is like, they thought it might, I got flagged. Not really flagged, but my bag got flagged. And they thought this was potentially a stun gun, which is funny. It's totally a power bank, but you can see I've been charging it, so it's almost at 100%. But I'm gonna charge this and then put this in the bag as well. And then my camera, which goes into this case. I've got a little small tripod and extra batteries, windscreen over here, and charging cable for that. So I'm gonna put that in there as well. Of course, I'm using the camera right now to film this, but I need to charge it, and then I'm gonna put this in the bag. So yeah, everything fits into this backpack. So I'm almost packed. I have all my clothes packed. Some toiletries I will need to use tomorrow before I can pack them up. And then also some things that I'm charging will not go in the bag yet. But that's pretty much it. Just definitely my tips for packing are to prepare, like do laundry, and then pick out for each day, figure out what you know that you're doing, and then pick out an outfit, and then roll all that up as best you can, as little space as you possibly can. And you can usually fit everything in a carry-on if you don't pack too much. I'm gonna be there from Thursday night through Tuesday, so almost a week, and so far I'm able to easily fit everything in a carry-on. So you guys saw my carry-on, which is right there, and just finishing up packing everything. I'll probably do a travel vlog about my trip. So I'm going to Indianapolis, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.